This water softener is leaking to the drain. Let's fix it today by replacing the piston and the seals.
This is the new piston and seal pack we'll be installing. These parts come as a kit: new piston, seal pack, and brine valve. And I order them from softenerparts.com.
Here's the drain line of the softener. Can you hear that leak? Yeah, neither can I, because it's already fixed. I recorded this and I didn't have my microphone working. So now I'm re-recording the first part of this video. Let's all pretend it's leaking. Can you hear it? Sounds like this.
Thanks, Bob. Get everyone in the mood.
I think it'll be a good video. I didn't want to lose all that footage. I'll just voice over it. Bear with me. This is a Fleck 5600 SXT valve. Let's get to it.
This is where you would have heard the leak if there was audio. Also, I'm putting my hand on the drain pipe. You can feel the water running through. If you want to make sure that the leak is coming from the softener, put it in bypass. If the sound stops, that's your problem. I'm turning the main water off. Hold the regen button down for 5 seconds to go to backwash mode. This will get rid of any water pressure. Unplugging the softener. This wire is the water flow meter. Disconnecting it with a 1/4 inch driver. You could also use a flathead screwdriver. You could actually do this whole job with a flathead screwdriver. Pull that out. Now we're going to remove the back plate from the softener valve. 1/4 inch driver again. 2 screws. Back plate's off. Now we're going to remove this screw from the piston. There's a small washer behind this screw. Careful not to drop it, like I usually do. Next are these 2 screws. Larger than 1/4 inch, flathead screwdriver works fine. In this clip, I'm trying to point to a metal ear that the plastic cover locks over. Pull the plastic cover forward, down, and then up to get off that ear. I've wrapped a towel underneath the softener valve to catch any water. Now I'm going to remove these 3 screws and this metal plate. There's going to be a little water drainage now. Just make sure the softener is still in bypass. Because this water softener is in a basement, the drain line goes up. The water is coming back down the drain line. And pull off the metal plate. Time for the old piston and seal pack to come out. Some of the seals and spacers might come with the piston. Some you're going to have to dig out. 5 seals and 4 spacers. I missed one. Here you can see some iron buildup. This is what's hard on those spacers and seals. Next to come out is the brine drain piston. Make sure that O-ring comes out with it. Cleanup time. Here's what a new parts kit looks like from softenerparts.com. Pack in the seals and spacers. Start with the seal. This took me 2 tries. The first time I didn't have them packed down far enough. Now the piston goes in. Then the brine valve piston. Metal plate. I'm going to tighten all 5 screws into the metal plate. This will help pack those spacers and seals down. After everything's packed, I will have to remove those green screws in the back. That helped to pack those seals, and we got rid of this gap. Pull these back out and replace the water softener power head. Remember that metal ear in the front. A little wiggling, a little jiggling, it'll go. Replace and tighten the 3 back screws. Now I'm pulling the piston up and onto a round plastic tab. Tighten it into place with screw and washer. Back plate and water meter cable back in place. Plug the water softener back into power. Softener still in backwash mode where we left it. Right here I was talking about some random nonsense, and water supply back on. The water softener's back in service, and you have to trust me on this, no more leak. And here's the culprit, a ripped seal. Thanks for your help today, and if you found this information useful, like and subscribe. See you next time at the Windmill Garden.